Hello students, we're gonna do our 14th program. Write a method short words in Python to read lines from a text file wordbank.txt and display those words which are less than 5 characters. Here it's lesser, which are less than 5 characters or lesser than 5 characters. So first I write def. They've given us to write short words of now let me open f is equal to open wordbank.txt read mode and display those words which are less than 5 characters. Okay, so so now I opened it. Now let us read. Data equals f dot read of for I in data if data equals f to read of. We have to display those words. If I directly write for I in data, then it will go character by character. We need by words, so we will get by words only if we split it. So after the statement, after data equals f to read of, we must also write data equals data dot split, and then for I in data if len of I less than 5. If len of I is less than 5, print I. Print I means it will display those words. F dot close off. Now let's run. Wait, I didn't call, right? See, it displayed, we got it right, it displayed the, let me minimize this, read lines from a text file and display those words which are less than 5 characters. See, 2 came is with. Now let us see what I gave in the file. This was my text file. Subscribe to A's with Aishu. So subscribe is more than 5. 2 is less. It's only 2, no? Less than 5. Ace is less than 5. With is less than 5. This is equal to 5. This is less than 5. Okay? So it displayed. See? This is the output. So hope you understood this, and if you have any doubts, please put in your doubts in the comment section. I'll surely clear it for you. Thank you.